Yakub.
What?
So me, I'm cleaning this house and doing everything. You cannot do anything. You are the most useless person in this house. You don't do anything at all.
Now what's your own work in this house now? Sweep now and leave my front, please.
I should sweep and leave your front. Very useless boy.
Hi.
Fine girl.
Please, I'm looking for your sister. Is she around?
No, she's not around though. It's only me that.
Hey, girl. Hi, babe. Hi.
Girl, I love your hair. Where'd you get it from? Which friend? No be vendor. You no get name.
Look at this dude.
Bro, like you're doing too much right now. Must you show that you're silly every time? When I told you to mop that time, you told me you cannot do it. But now you want to mop.
Everywhere is dirty. Your house is dirty now. I want to mop everywhere now.
I'm trying to mop my friend.
No, I want to mop my range.
Bro, get
Fine girl. What's up now? What are you doing?
Just finished washing my hands.
So you said you know how to wash your hand. Yeah, let's get
Mr. Ma, what do you want with my friend?
This your friend. She's the one.
She's the one that did what?
She's the one now.
She's the one that did what? That's the same thing you said. All my friends. Do you remember? Shewa. Do you remember?
This your friend. She's the one.
Are your uncle?
This your friend. She's the one. No, Ayo was just like, you know, like but this your friend but today. No. She's the main one.
Well,
She's the one.
I don't have any other thing to say than don't break her heart. Because they always come crying to me. I don't like it. And you're ruining my friendships like that. It's not nice. It's not fair.
What are they supposed to be crying to? I know they are friends.
Yeah, you cannot keep to your word of not breaking their heart.
Tell your own friend to not break my own heart. My own heart is fragile.
I tell you, sir, what's your wife? Who I won't marry? You tell me, say, where you feature your gift card. Anyways, where you feature your gift card and still card, and they tell you, once you don't register with my promo code, Yakub, you will get 3,000 naira on your first registration. Yes. So this girl, now she.
I told me that you like me.
I did not send that message, but yeah, I like you. And I would like you to deal with me.
So, do you have a girlfriend?
No.
Do you have other girls that you're talking to?
No.
Are you sure?
I swear.
So, do you really like me? Or you just want to...
If I tell you the truth now, hope you're not going to get mad.
You?
No. Yes.
You know overreact.
I promise you that.
It's not that I like you like that, you know. I just want to. I don't know if you're feeling me. I just want. So anytime you're down, you know.